Students, I am Assistant Professor J.N. Moite, Department of Agricultural Botany, Sadhguru College of Agriculture, Mirasgaon. In this lecture, we are going to see about UPO, its origin and history, including a brief introduction to UPO for protection of plant varieties, protection of plant varieties under UPO. Then we will see what is UPO and its history. UPO means Union for the Protection of New Varieties of Plants. UPO is an intergovernmental organization with headquarters in Geneva, Switzerland. UPO was established by the International Convention for Protection of New Varieties of Plants. The convention was adopted in Paris in 1961 and it was revised in 1972, 1978 and 1991. UPO mission is to promote and provide effective system of plant variety protection with the aim of encouraging the development of new varieties of plants for the benefit of society. The UPO convention provides the basis for members to encourage the plant breeding by granting intellectual property rights to breeders of new plant varieties, that is breeder rights. The UPO treaties adopt a sui generis system of protection, that is a system that is unique or of its own kind, especially tailored to the needs of plant breeders. Then there are some benefits of UPO membership. Internationally accepted sui generis system. Then protection for breeders in the other UPO members. Then benefit from the priority date, that is first application. Cooperation in examination, legal and technical guidance, and awareness or influence of future developments. These are the benefits of UPO membership. Then there are some functions of UPO. Protection of new varieties of plants by an IPR. By codifying intellectual property for plant breeders, UPO aims to encourage the development of new varieties of plants for the benefit of society, setting up the rules and criteria for the protection of the variety. Now we will see about UPO Act. The first UPO Act was drafted in 1991, seeking to provide protections for plant breeders in their own field and overseas markets. UPO was later revised in acts adopted in 1972, 1978 and 1991. The 1991 Act entered into force on 24 April 1998. Then there are some definitions under or defined by UPO 1991 Act. First definition is breeder, the person who bred or discovered and developed a new variety. Another definition is of variety, a plant grouping with similar characteristics distinguishing from any other group resulting from a given genotype or combination of genotypes. Thank you. It is all about UPO Act.